Two countries, one border, and a conflict that refuses to die. Today, the Pakistan-Afghanistan border is burning again. Airstrikes, retaliation, soldiers facing each other across the mountains. Both governments blame each other, and tension across the border is rising fast. But whenever two neighbors start fighting like this, one question always appears. When Pakistan and Afghanistan start fighting, who benefits the most? This border has always been complicated. More than a century ago, a line called the Durand Line divided the land between Afghanistan and what later became Pakistan. But many Afghans never fully accepted this border. And today, that same line remains one of the most fragile borders in the region. But history alone does not explain what's happening today, because something else has changed. So what exactly triggered this new tension now? In recent months, clashes across the border have grown more intense. Pakistan has carried out airstrikes inside Afghan territory. Afghan fighters have responded with attacks along the frontier. Both sides accuse each other of supporting militant groups. Pakistan say the Pakistani Taliban, the TTP, are using Afghan land to launch attacks. Afghanistan denies helping them. But every new attack pushes the two countries closer to direct confrontation. And when two unstable neighbors start exchanging strikes, the entire region begins to watch carefully. Because when Pakistan gets pulled into another conflict, it creates an important question. Who actually gains from this situation? In geopolitics, conflicts rarely affect only two countries. Other players are always watching. China has major investments in Pakistan. Roads, ports, and energy projects connected through China-Pakistan economic corridor. Instability can threaten these projects. Iran also shares border with both countries and worries about the violence getting spread. But there is another country watching very carefully: India. For decades, India and Pakistan have been rivals. So when Pakistan must focus its military on western border, its attention towards the eastern border naturally weakens, and that changes the strategic balance in South Asia. This does not mean India created this conflict, but when Pakistan and Afghanistan fight, India may gain strategic space. So, when Pakistan and Afghanistan start fighting, the battlefield may be the mountains, but the real game is much bigger. Because in geopolitics, wars are rarely just about two countries. There is always someone watching, someone calculating, and sometimes the country that benefits the most is the one that never fires a single shot. If you found this story interesting, please like the video. Tell us what you think about this conflict. Leave your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy stories like this, subscribe to ThinkTell, because you think and we tell.